What if mastering new skills could happen 10 times faster? No textbooks, no flashcards, not even grinding through study sessions. The CIA once used these very methods to transform spies into linguistic experts and memory virtuosos overnight. And now, they're yours. Ditch the dull routines. These agents learned languages in weeks and memorized top secret files in minutes. No clearance level or covert budget required. Just science-backed brain hacks. Welcome to effortless learning. Step 1. Sleep-driven learning. While you sleep, your brain isn't just resting, it's downloading intel. Soviet spies mastered this with hypno-learning, syncing agents' brains to theta waves, 4 hertz. The twilight state between wakefulness and sleep where information sticks like glue. Your hack. Play theta wave tracks. YouTube has plenty. While reviewing material before bed. Add a focus trigger. Snap your fingers during study sessions. Later, a quick snap pulls your brain back into focus mode, even mid-scroll. Step 2. NEUROPRIMING. Thrive in chaos. CIA agents didn't train in quiet libraries. They drilled in simulated war zones. Chaos sharpens focus, teaching your brain to filter distractions. Your hack. Study with cafe noise or street sounds in the background. Set an alarm to blare every 7 minutes. Start mild, then crank up the chaos weekly. Result? You'll soon ace exams, while your roommate's playlist rages. Step 3. Sensory memory triggers. Ever caught a whiff of perfume and instantly recalled a moment? That's your senses hijacking memory, a trick the CIA weaponized. Your hack. Chew cinnamon gum while studying. Sniff cinnamon later to trigger recall. Assign colors, scents, or playlists to subjects. Wear a red shirt for Spanish drills. Your brain will link the two. Step 4. Build a memory palace. Your home isn't just where you live, it's a 3D cheat sheet. Spies used spatial mapping to lock in intel. Your hack. Anchor memories to physical spots. Mirror, near today's tasks. Fridge equals key formulas. Doorway equals critical quotes. Walk past these spots, and your brain auto-reviews the info. 0 effort required. Step 5. Mental download. 10-minute sprints. Spies use active interleaving, rapid topic switching to boost retention. Your hack. Study topic A for 10 minutes, switch to topic B for 10, then loop back. Your brain cross-links concepts, turning scattered facts into a cohesive web. Step 6. The spy's 4-week blueprint. Week 1. Theta waves plus sleep recall. Week 2. Train in chaos. Start with coffee shop sounds. Week 3. Activate sensory triggers, smells, colors, music. Week 4. Master interleaving. Juggle multiple subjects. Stack these weekly missions and watch your focus and memory soar. Warning. If your brain starts absorbing info like a spy, keep it quiet. The CIA might want their hacks back. If this unlocked a new level of learning for you, smash like, subscribe, and share with someone stuck in 1990s study mode. They'll owe you one. Thanks for watching. And remember, true learning should feel as natural as breathing.